Hey y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the December Cocoa Daisy main planner kit titled Winter Twilight. If you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. Alright y'all, first of all, don't mind my nails. I have an appointment later today. So this is the very, very pretty Winter Twilight kit from Cocoa Daisy. I have been subscribed to Cocoa Daisy for about 5 or 6 months now, y'all. It keeps getting better. That's what I can say about the Cocoa Daisy kit. So, let's get this to the side. And this month we have Winter Twilight. We have the blues, the greens, the rustic mountain look. This box is all about that. The back of the card says, the December collection, Winter Twilight, is inspired by snow-capped mountains, cabins nestled in the woods, and majestic pine trees. These are scenes you might find in the Swiss Alps or the quaint town of Estes Park, Colorado. A color palette of icy blues punctuated with splashes of red, pink, green, and gold will put you in the mood for snowflakes and hot cocoa, for cozy fireside lounging, or maybe even a hike through the freshly fallen snow. This beautiful mountain-inspired collection is sure to help you plan one of the busiest months of the year and help you record all those special moments that are part of this most magical time. Christine. So, I am going to start with what's here at the top, and we have, I am not sure what this character's name is. And there is no insert card to tell me. So we've got this cute little bunny holding onto a snowflake on a paper clip. Super cute. Look at these markings from, I just filmed my plan with me. Goodness gracious. So super cute, super cute. So next item up is our sticky notes. Cute little star, and on the star it says, don't forget to shine. Okay, so they peel off like that. So here we have our sticky notes. The next item I see is this washi. I can't wait to get this rolled out because I want to see what it looks like. This month I did not watch the live reveal that Christine normally does in the Facebook group, so I have absolutely no idea what to expect in this box. We're going in blind, y'all. I see birds, I see some foliage. If I can get it open. Ooh, y'all, that's super pretty. Look at that. Oh, wow. She outdid herself on that washi. Cute, cute, cute. So here is this month's washi. Goodness. Of course you would. Next item we have are our die cuts. We get these monthly. They do have adhesive backing. For those of you, I get a lot of questions in my DM about these. They do have adhesive backing. So we've got a snowman, we've got a mountain, more mountain scenes. We've got some little critters here, snowflakes, an owl, more mountain scenes. That's pretty. Y'all, these mountain scenes are everything. We have our tabs, some more snowflakes, and a hat. And then we have our 6-month tabs that we get per month. So these are our die cut stickers for the month. Okay, so the next item up is our pen test sheet and our notepad. We always get extras for the pen. These are extra refills for the pen. I'm going to show you in just a moment. We have a pen test sheet so that you can obviously test your pen. And then we have this month's notepad. It says Winter is Magic. We have our tree here, and in the background you'll see the snow-capped mountains. So This is our notepad, pen test sheet, and pen refill. This month's pen is silver, 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 because that's the pretty much theme of the kit. If I can get it open. Here is the pen. It has these pretty iridescent crystals in the middle. It does have the gold in the glitter in the silver paint. And the Cocoa Daisy at the top. This is a gel pen. I confuse that every month. Every month we gotta go through this, y'all. It is a gel pen. The next item, we have these cute little stars. I don't want to take this out because I know that glitter is going to be all over the place. So these are adhesive backed for you to use in your memory keeping. The next item up is our sticker kit. Oh, so we do have page 1, page 2, and then our deco sheet. So your page 1 has tab, December, appointments, National Cocoa Day. I need to find out what day that is. We have notes, month at a glance, meal plan, daily to-dos. We've got a set of date flags, Sunday through Saturday flags, and a bunch of different icons and stuff. And then we have some letters, some more numbers, and some half boxes and quarter boxes. And then we have our deco sheet. So this is this month's sticker kit. Next up, y'all, we have something that's fairly, well, let me not say fairly new. They're new. I've never seen them in a Cocoa Daisy kit. We have these 2 little sleeves, and of course you could stick some stuff in here to store, but I'm wondering if these can be punched and used. You could probably, you know, get some sticky back there and make these adhesive pockets. These are too big to go into a mini, but maybe an A5 or a half letter. You could stick this to like a sheet of cardstock, and then you've got a large pocket for your planner. But we got 2 of these. And then last but not least, we have our paper pack. So we get 3 double-sided sheets of cardstock. Oh, that's pretty. Y'all, look at the golds in this background. Oh. Oh, look at that. That is vibrant. So this is our paper pack for the month. Alright, y'all. So here is the December 2021 Cocoa Daisy kit titled Winter Twilight. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.